Arno,
Yeah.
so what do you think about this evening?
It sucked totally.
It sucked totally.
It sucked totally. What are we doing here?
Just what were the positive points you take out this evening?
Well, first there was beer, then there wasn't beer, and suddenly there was beer again.
Basically, you're saying that it was worthless to be here tonight.
Oh, it was very useful.
Okay, why?
Well, sometimes it's good to know what you're missing.
So what are we missing? Are you the leader?
Am I the leader? Nah, I'm no leader. Look at me. Come on.
Are we going to do this again? Okay.
Definitely.
So we're going to have another worthless night again,
Yes.
as long there is beer.
Well, yeah. Colder beer.
Very good.
Yeah, that's most important.